In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello in organizing your travel plans. Whether you're planning a solo adventure or a group trip, Trello can be an exceptional tool to keep everything streamlined and organized. So let's dive in and see how you can effectively use Trello to plan your next trip. First things first, head over to Trello.com. If you're new to Trello, you'll need to sign up for an account. If you already have one, simply log in. Once you're in, the next step is to create a new board. This board is like your digital travel binder. Give it a name that captures your trip, like European Adventure 2025. This will serve as the central hub where all your travel details will live. After creating your board, it's time to set up lists that will help organize the major phases of your trip. Think of lists as categories or steps in your planning process. Common lists include to do, in progress, and done. But for travel planning, you might also want to include destination-specific lists such as Rome or Florence, and activity-based lists like sightseeing, restaurants, and day trips. Once your lists are in place, you can start adding cards under each list for specific tasks or activities. For each card, add detailed descriptions to help ensure all your necessary information is captured. For instance, if it's a card for booking flights, include flight numbers, booking references, and contact details. To break down larger tasks into smaller, manageable steps, use the checklist feature within the cards. For example, if you need a full-day itinerary for Florence, you'll create a checklist with time blocks and activities planned for each part of the day. Next, it's helpful to set due dates in your cards to keep track of when tasks need to be completed. Due dates are particularly useful for reminders of flight times, booking confirmations, and other time-sensitive tasks. As you set these dates, Trello's calendar view can be a fantastic way to visualize your itinerary and deadlines in one cohesive snapshot. To improve organization, apply labels to your cards for easy categorization. For example, labels can be transportation, accommodation, and food, among others. These labels add more depth and make it simpler to identify tasks at a glance. As you gather important travel documents like booking confirmations or inspiring photos for your travels, attach them directly to your cards. This keeps all your files within Trello so that you can quickly access them anytime. Harness the comment section feature to discuss tasks with travel companions. Comments allow everyone who has access to the board to give their input or ask questions regarding any aspect of your trip planning. Speaking of sharing, be sure to invite your travel partners to the board. This encourages collaboration and ensures everyone's on the same page. As plans progress, you can easily drag and drop cards between lists to visually track where everything stands. Finally, remember that Trello is accessible from any device. Whether you're on the web, using the desktop app, or updating from your mobile, you can keep your travel plans up to date wherever you go. And that's how you can use Trello to stay on top of your travel plans, making it easier and more fun for everyone involved. Thanks for tuning in, and happy travels.